BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. Alright, so we're looking at two propane grills, huh? The Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner B0BWPFNPXX and the Weber Spirit S-315 B07XLP4SRM. Let's get into it.
Yeah, sounds good. First thing that jumps out is the price difference. The Nexgrill is way cheaper, like around $265 compared to the Weber's $850.
Huge difference. But what are we sacrificing for that price cut? Looking at size, the Weber's got a bigger cooking area, 529 square inches versus the Nexgrill's 401. So more room for burgers.
True. And it's got 3 burners putting out 32,000 BTUs, while the Nexgrill only has 2 burners with 28,000 BTUs. So the Weber probably heats up faster and distributes heat more evenly across that larger surface.
Makes sense. Both have porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are good for heat retention and easy cleaning. The Weber also boasts of flavorizer bars.
Oh yeah, those are supposed to catch drippings and vaporize them, giving your food a smoky flavor. Nice touch. The Nexgrill has angled flame tamers, which is similar but maybe not as effective.
What about build quality? The Weber is known for its durability, right?
Absolutely. Weber's reputation is solid. The Spirit S-315 is stainless steel, designed to last. The Nexgrill uses a combination of stainless steel and porcelain-coated steel. It sounds durable, but Weber is usually a safer bet long-term.
Both have side tables, which is convenient, and electric ignition too. Easy startup is a must-have.
For sure. One thing I noticed about the Weber is the fuel gauge. That's a nice feature so you don't unexpectedly run out of propane mid-cook.
Good point. The Nexgrill's lighter though, only 70 pounds, while the Weber is only listed as 20 pounds, which doesn't sound right. Maybe a mistake?
Yeah, that's probably wrong. The Weber is likely heavier considering it is larger and has more burners. So in summary, the Nexgrill is a budget-friendly option good for smaller gatherings. The Weber is an investment in a bigger, more powerful, and probably longer-lasting grill.
Sounds like it boils down to budget and how seriously you take your grilling. Thanks. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.